Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Amazon funding options for new sellers. When I started my Amazon journey, funding was the biggest roadblock. You need capital for inventory, marketing, and all those initial costs. Based on my experience and what I see working for others who are just beginning, there are really three best options for new sellers, in this order. 1. Personal savings and credit cards. Starting with your personal savings is the cleanest, most straightforward way to fund your initial inventory. It means you have no debt to worry about, and all the early profits go straight back into the business. I know that's not always possible for large inventory buys, which brings us to the business credit card. A business credit card with a 0% introductory APR is, in my opinion, the best leverage a new seller can get. I used this heavily at the start. If you can buy your inventory on a card with zero interest for the first 12 to 18 months, that gives you a massive window to sell your product and pay off the balance before any interest even accrues. Just be disciplined. You must have a clear plan to pay it off. The catch is getting approved for a business card when you're brand new. So you may need to start with a personal card you are already pre-approved for, and then transition once you establish some business history. 2. Friends and family. I always encourage people to talk to their network. Approaching friends or family for a loan, even a small one, is a common and highly effective first step. This works because the terms are almost always more favorable and flexible than any institutional lender. They are investing in you, not just a business plan. For me, a small loan from a family member was the buffer I needed to cover my first 3 months of Amazon's monthly professional seller fee and a small ad budget. Make it professional, though. Draw up a simple agreement, set repayment terms, and treat it like a serious loan to protect those relationships. 3. Fintech or revenue-based financing. Once you have a few months of sales history, even 3 to 6 months, you unlock a new level of funding. Fintech lenders. I didn't qualify for Amazon lending early on, as that's typically invitation only and requires a solid track record, often 6 to 12 months of high volume. But online, non-traditional lenders understand e-commerce. They look less at your credit score and more at your current sales performance on Amazon. This is called revenue-based financing. They give you a capital advance, and you pay it back as a percentage of your daily or weekly sales. This flexible repayment model is fantastic, because if sales are slow, your payment is low. I used this option for a major restock after my first big holiday rush. It's faster than a bank loan, and it's tailored for Amazon's cash flow cycle. You will pay a fee for the convenience, so calculate your profit margins carefully before you commit. Ultimately, for a new seller, you want the money with the lowest immediate cost. That's why personal funds, 0% APR credit cards, and friendly loans are the winning combo to get you off the ground before you graduate to the faster but more expensive e-commerce specific loans. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.